English to Afrikaans, can equals.
kan,
Welcome. Hey there. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your smart shortcut to languages. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and practice goodies. Today you'll master the Afrikaans word for can.
kan,
By the end, you'll confidently say,
ek kan, jy kan, hy kan, sy kan, dit kan, ons kan, julle kan,
and.
hulle kan.
And yes, you can absolutely have fun doing it. Your goal today. Let's map the forms clearly so you can use them anywhere. I can equals.
Ek kan,
You can, singular, equals.
jy kan,
He can equals.
hy kan,
She can equals.
sy kan,
It can equals.
dit kan,
We can equals.
ons kan,
You can, plural, equals.
julle kan,
They can equals.
hulle kan.
Sound it out. Feel the beat, short, confident, and punchy. Say it clean.
Kan,
Again, with a smile.
kan,
Whisper, then say it strong.
kan, kan,
Thumbs up energy. I can?
ek kan,
You can?
jy kan.
Mini dialogue. Listen, echo, and notice how simple the pattern stays. A. Can you help me? B. Yes.
Ja, ek kan.
A. Great, we can finish faster. B.
Ons kan,
A. Can he come? B.
hy kan,
A. She can drive. B.
sy kan,
A. It can wait. B.
dit kan,
A. You all can sit here. B.
julle kan hier sit,
A. They can do it. B.
hulle kan.
Quick drills. Say the Afrikaans out loud after the cue, own the rhythm. I can swim.
Ek kan swem,
You can call me later. Singular.
jy kan my later bel,
He can help today.
hy kan vandag help,
She can finish on time.
sy kan betyds klaarmaak,
It can work.
dit kan werk,
We can do this together.
ons kan dit saam doen,
You can sit here, plural.
julle kan hier sit,
They can understand now.
hulle kan nou verstaan.
Culture tip. Anchor the word to real life for memory that sticks. In South Africa, you'll hear team spirit everywhere. Before a big game, crowds chant.
Ons kan,
And for a funny mental image, picture a soda can flexing tiny arms and shouting, I.
kan,
Exclamation mark quote. Pop quiz. You've got this. Answer after the pause. What's Afrikaans for I can?
ek kan,
Translate, you can, singular.
jy kan,
How do you say, we can?
ons kan,
Give the plural, you can.
julle kan,
Say, they can.
hulle kan,
And the core word for can is.
kan,
Final challenge. Power through affirmations. Repeat after me. I can do this.
ek kan dit doen,
You can do this. Singular.
jy kan dit doen,
He can try again.
Hy kan weer probeer.
She can lead today.
Sy kan vandag lei.
It can wait till tomorrow.
Dit kan tot môre wag.
We can finish now.
Ons kan nou klaarmaak.
You, plural, can start here.
Julle kan hier begin.
They can handle it.
Hulle kan dit hanteer.
Outro. Nice work, your brain just leveled up. Thanks for listening with Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing these lines today, small reps, big wins. For more lessons, exercises, and bonus audio, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. Until next time.
Ons kan